In today's video, I'm going to talk you through how to set up your email on web.com and connect it with Gmail so you can manage everything in one place. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you've ever struggled to figure out how to get your professional email working properly, or you're tired of checking multiple inboxes, this video is going to make your life a lot easier. A clean email setup makes your business look more legit and saves you time every single day. I'm going to talk you through exactly how to get your web.com email up and running and how to forward or send messages from Gmail so you never miss an important email again. If you're setting up your first website or brand or online brand, you'll definitely want to follow along. So before we get into it, web.com is now backed by the power of network solutions. So when I say web.com, I'm actually talking about them, but just through network solutions. So web.com is a simple all-in-one platform for building websites, buying domains, and setting up business email addresses. It's designed for beginners, so everything is pretty user-friendly, but that doesn't mean everything is obvious. Setting up email, especially when you want to use your Gmail, can take a few steps. So before we dive in, let's go into some of the key features of web.com. Number one is a website builder that's easy to use. Web.com includes a user-friendly website builder with a drag and drop interface, making it ideal for beginners who want to create a website without writing any code. The platform offers a wide range of professionally designed templates for different industries and business types. Websites built through one.com are mobile responsive, meaning they automatically adjust to look great on smartphones, tablets, and desktops. Number two is domain name registration. So you can search for and register your own custom domain, such as yourbusiness.com. This helps establish credibility and makes it easier for people to find you online. Most web.com plans include a free domain for the first year, and all domain management can be handled within the same dashboard. Number three is professional email hosting. When you purchase a domain or website plan through web.com, you can create a professional branded email address such as info@yourdomain.com or yourname@yourdomain.com. This is essential if you want to appear credible when communicating with clients, collaborators, or vendors. Web.com provides webmail access, meaning you can check your email from any device through a simple browser-based interface. Number four is Gmail integration and email forwarding. Web.com gives you the option to integrate your professional email with your Gmail account. This allows you to send and receive messages from your web.com address without having to switch inboxes. This setup saves you time and ensures that you don't miss important emails, all while maintaining a polished and professional appearance. Number five is SSL security included. Most web.com plans include a free SSL certificate. This helps keep your site secure and protects data shared by visitors. Sites with SSL are marked as secure in browsers and are more trusted by visitors. Search engines like Google also tend to prioritize secure websites in search rankings. Next is built-in SEO and marketing tools. So the platform includes basic SEO tools to help your website appear in search engine results. You can edit meta tags, add page descriptions, and include keywords to improve visibility. Web.com also offers marketing features such as blog functionality and lead capture forms that help you grow your audience and collect contact information. Number seven is e-commerce capabilities. If you want to sell physical or digital products, web.com includes simple e-commerce features. You can add a product catalog to your website, set up a shopping cart, accept payments, and manage inventory directly within the dashboard. This makes it a viable option for creators and small business owners who want to set up basic online store without dealing with third-party platforms. Now, what you're going to want to do is go ahead and use our exclusive link in the description below to make sure you're getting the best price possible. So as I mentioned, web.com is now combined with network solutions. So what we can do is go ahead and click here. What we'll want to do is click email. So as you can see, they have a couple of different options here. They've got the professional email for aspiring entrepreneurs. So this is just $1.75 per month for a 1-year term. With this plan, you get 25 gigabytes of storage, professional email using your domain, sync mail across devices, and shared calendars, contacts, and tasks, and then docs, spreadsheets, and more. And then they also have the professional email plus. So this is email and productivity solutions for small businesses. And this is just $4.99 per month for a 1-year term. And then with this, you get 80 gigabytes of email storage, professional email using your domain, and everything else that's in the professional email plan, but you also get secured with guard encryption as well. So if you want to get started, you can click add cart, and then you'll select how many mailboxes you need, and then you can go ahead and upgrade if you would like and say no thank you. So if you want to use a domain that you already own, you can do that, or you can search, and then you can select however many terms you would like. Then you'll enter in your credit card information and set up your account. So you'll type in a if you're an individual or business organization, you'll enter in the business name, their first and last name, address, and then all of your payment information. And then you'll click submit payment. Now, what you're going to want to do next, once you're all logged in and your account is created, is you're going to want to go to the email section and create your new email address. What you'll want to do is add a new email address. Then you'll want to open your webmail inbox to verify the email works. Then we'll go to your Gmail account, and then you'll go to settings, see all settings, and then you'll want to go to accounts and import. Then you'll want to add a mail account, and this is where you'll enter in the email address, and then you'll either want to link with Gmailify or POP3. I would choose POP3 and then enter in your webmail server and login details. Then you'll want to choose whether to leave a copy of message on the server or not, and then save. Then you'll just go to send mail as, and then click add another email address. Then you'll add your web.com email and complete the verification process. Now you can send and receive emails from your web.com address right inside Gmail. Now let's dive into some of the pros and cons. So starting off with the pros, it has a professional look. Having your own domain-based email makes your brand look more trustworthy and legit. Next is simple setup. It doesn't take long to get started, especially with the Gmail integration steps. Next is the all-in-one platform. You can manage your website, domain, and email in one dashboard. And it's also affordable, so web.com is beginner-friendly both in tools and in pricing. Now for the cons. So web.com email is very basic. The built-in email client isn't the best experience. That's why integrating with Gmail is so helpful. Next is the limited flexibility, so you don't get as many advanced features as you would with a dedicated email server like Google Workspace. And lastly, their customer support can be hit or miss. If you get stuck, response times can vary. So is this email setup for you? If you're just getting started and want a quick, affordable way to create a brand new email, then yes, this setup works great. Especially if you're planning to use Gmail as your main inbox anyway, you can get the best of both worlds. It's a super helpful option for freelancers, new entrepreneurs, coaches, or anyone who's building their first website and wants to look polished from day one. That wraps up this video. If you're trying to grow your brand or just look more professional online, having a solid email setup is a small change that makes a big difference. If you want to check out web.com, which is now Network Solutions, make sure you go ahead and use our exclusive link in the description below. I do want to say that these are affiliate links, which mean we do earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for your support. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. This channel is dedicated to helping you build and launch your very first website, digital product, or online brand. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.